What are tariffs? Monkeys live in two countries, Monkeyland and Bananaland. Monkeyland has many monkey, but not many banana. Bananaland has many banana, but not many monkey. Monkeyland monkeys need more banana, and since Bananaland grows so many, they can sell them for cheap. So Monkeyland buy banana from Bananaland. When monkey country buy thing from other monkey country, this is called importing. When a monkey country sells something to other monkey country, this is called exporting. Bananaland monkeys make money. Monkeyland monkeys get banana for cheap. Monkeys happy. Monkeys friends. Life good. Monkeyland government put tariff on all bananas from Bananaland. A tariff is a tax, an extra charge to bring banana from Bananaland into Monkeyland. When monkey get food delivered, monkey pay for food. Monkey pay for delivery. A tariff is like the service fee. Bananaland banana price usually stay the same, but now Monkeyland monkeys also have to pay Monkeyland government to buy them. How do tariffs work? Tariffs can be dollar amount, or a percentage of the cost of item. Most monkey countries use percentage tariffs, but they call them ad valorem to make monkey sound smart. Tariffs can get really specific. Unripe banana can have different tariffs to ripe ones, even though they both banana. Even banana cannot escape bureaucracy. Trade terms. When monkey government not use tariffs, this is called free trade. When monkey country export more banana than they import, this called a trade surplus. But when monkey country import more banana than export, this is called trade deficit. What happens when tariffs are used? Price of imported banana goes up. Monkeyland banana stores happy, as there are no more cheap bananas to compete with. But less banana competition can also mean banana quality go down. Local banana becomes monkey's only option. Local price can also go up to just under Bananaland banana. Monkeyland monkeys frustrated. Monkeys have to choose between paying more for good banana or eat worse banana for cheap. Monkeyland government makes money every time monkeys import bananas from Bananaland. But Bananaland government can retaliate. Then Monkeyland could retaliate. Then Bananaland. This is called a trade war. You could say it's guerrilla warfare. No, wait. Why do monkey government do this? There are many reasons. Maybe Monkeyland government want to make local banana more attractive to buy, even if they don't have as much or aren't as good. Maybe Monkeyland government jealous of Bananaland's bananas, and instead of telling them how they feel, they try to ruin their economy. Maybe Monkeyland government used tariffs as bargaining tool for more important political negotiations. Or maybe Monkeyland government simply want to make more money. So if tariff make everything more expensive, why do we even have them? Well, monkey government want money. That's pretty much it. Monkey government may think they help small business with tariffs, but this isn't always true. Some monkey businesses import other things from Bananaland to help run business. Tariffs make these more expensive. Monkeys have to pay more. Monkeys stressed. Monkeys tired of this bullshit. Big banana corporations could lose some money from tariffs, but small banana stand could go out of business. Future products can also be delayed because of sudden increase in tariffs. Products monkey was really looking forward to. The future of tariffs. Tariffs affect physical products, things monkeys can touch with monkey hands. But how will monkey government tariff digital products? Ebooks, AI-generated artwork, NFTs, environmental tariffs. Some monkey governments use environmental tariffs, taxing countries that harm monkeys' natural habitat. Monkey government tax products based on how much carbon emissions it took to make product. The Banana War. Yes, this really happened. Monkey often use bananas to explain money. However, this time, when monkeys say bananas, monkey mean actual bananas. In 1993, the European monkeys gave their friends, the Caribbean monkeys, a discount on tariffs for their bananas. This was to support Caribbean monkeys' struggling economy by giving them tax breaks on their bananas. But American monkeys were not happy. They import banana too and didn't get discount. They thought it was unfair European monkeys were playing favorites. So the American monkeys put tariffs on European monkeys' other products in retaliation. Eventually, the WTO, the World Trade Orangutan, had to step in. But this banana trade war lasted nearly 20 years before Euro monkeys finally gave US monkeys lower tariffs on bananas as well. Thank you. To say thank you to all 240,000 monkeys that are now in troop, Primate Economics has donated $500 to Save the Chimps, a chimpanzee sanctuary in Florida that's helped rescue monkeys from research laboratories, the pet trade, and entertainment industry. Remember, apes together strong.